Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to idle Steam hours without actually playing the game. First off, you're going to open your web browser and click the link that I put in the description. Once you click it, it'll bring you to this GitHub page. Then you're going to go down to the download section and press direct download zip archive. Once this is done, you can close your web browser and open up File Explorer. Go to the download section and then extract the files. I'm using 7-zip, but it does not matter what you use. Once it's extracted, you can delete the original zip file. Then open up the file. Then open up the file folder, sorry. Then, once you open it, you'll get to this page. Then you're going to right click, go down to new, and then text document. Now you can name this whatever you want, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to name it Steam Hours. Once this is done, you can open it. Now, what you're going to type is start Steam dash. You're going to type start space Steam dash idle.exe. And then once you type that in, you're going to find the ID number for the game that you want to idle. For example, for the sake of this video, I'm going to be doing Left 4 Dead 2, which the ID number for that is 550. And for another one, let's just say Rainbow Six Siege. What I'm going to do is I'm going to find the ID number for this, which is 359550. Now what you do, now you can idle 30 games at one time. You can idle 30 games, and if you do 30 games, it only takes about 300 megabytes of RAM, so it doesn't take resources. Anyways, what you want to do if you want to idle more than one game at a time is you simply go to the end of your ID number, press enter twice, and then you can copy and paste the start steam idle.exe, and then space, and then the ID number of the other game, which I already thought the ID number of Rainbow Six Siege, because I do not have a very good memory. 359550. 359550. And then last one, I guess I'll do DDLC. 698780. 698780. 698780. Alright, and that's it. Once you're done, you can go to File, and then press Save As. Then go to the end of your name. If you put .txt, delete that so it's just your name. Go to the end and put .bat. This is going to make it a batch file, which is just another name for a little code. Then, once you're done, you can close out everything, open up your File Explorer, Downloads, open up Idlemaster Extended, and then you're going to look for what you named the batch file, and make sure it says Windows batch file. That way it actually works. Then all you're going to do is double click it. You'll see a little command prompt, and then how many games that you idled, all the tabs will pop up. These tabs will pop up. Now, whenever these show up, you're not actually running the game. This is just telling Steam that you're running the game. So if you're worried about your resources, or how much RAM it's going to take up, how much resources it's going to take up, you don't have to worry. And I can show you that by going to Task Manager. See, there it is, Steam idle, Steam idle, Steam idle. It's only taking about 9 to 10 megabytes of RAM. That's all it takes. So you can play other games while idling the other games. Now what's sad is there's two downsides to this. Number one, you can't play the game while idling it. And number two, you can't set the file, like the code file, you can't set it for when you start up your PC. sadly. And that is simply because Steam takes about a minute, 2 minutes to open up whenever you start up your computer. So if you make it so that that code starts up whenever you start up your computer, it's not going to work, and it's going to say steam.exe was not found. But yeah, that's about it. Oh, and one other thing. All you have to do to close this is simply close the tabs. And then after you do this in Task Manager, the tabs won't be there anymore. And on Steam, it won't show you playing them anymore. And yeah, that is about it. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Y'all have a wonderful day, and bye.